I mixed these ingredients and the result impressed me. Let's start by grating a piece of carrot on the board. The carrot will bring a special flavor and vibrant color to our dumplings. Place the grated carrot in a glass bowl and add 240 grams of oats. Mix well to combine the two ingredients and create a delicious base. Now it's time to season. Break 3 eggs into the bowl, add 1 chopped onion, salt to taste, black pepper to taste, a little garlic powder and oregano to taste. Mix everything well to integrate the flavors. To finish off our incredible filling, add parsley and chives to taste and 120 grams of tuna. Give it a good mix and watch the magic happen. Grease your hands with a little sunflower oil and start forming the dumplings. It's time to mold and shape our little treasures. Open the dumplings and place a small piece of mozzarella in the middle. Close tightly so that the cheese stays hidden and melts inside. Delicious! Heat a frying pan with oil over medium heat and carefully place the dumplings in it. Fry until they are golden and crispy on both sides. The aroma will make your mouth water. And there you have it. Look how delicious these tuna dumplings with carrots and oats are. My mouth watered just looking at them, didn't it? If you like this recipe, don't forget to like the video and follow our page to keep up to date with our delicious tips. Bon appetit and see you next time.